Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.